Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. I'm always saying please, ain't I? Also, check out my new books. I've got 2 new books. They're in the description below. It's all about how to make money online. Also, please check out my new channel. It's in the description below. It's Wally's World Blogs. Y'all please subscribe to that. It's all about making money online. I'm going to have a $500 giveaway just as soon as I get monetized on that channel. So y'all help me get monetized. It takes 1,000 subscribers and 400 watch hours. And also on this channel, I'm going to have a $1,000 giveaway when I reach 100,000 subscribers. Right now I'm at very close to 75,000. I'll probably hit that today or tomorrow. Okay. The Democrats, they have blocked the skinny bill from advancing to a vote. This could be good and this could be bad. From the good side, this could send a message to the mooch man to fatten that skinny bill up with stimulus checks for the people. But on the bad side, the mooch man could do nothing and just sit on it for months. We know he's good at that. But from the even better side, this gives President Trump more fuel to send out the stimulus checks with the $300 billion that is just sitting there. From all the talk in Washington and the reporters that goes everywhere with President Trump, they say it looks more likely that Trump will be ready to send out checks. Remember, these reporters, they follow him everywhere he goes. They hear more than most people. They know more than most people. I should have shaved. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not growing a beard. I've just been too busy. Y'all, I am not taking up for President Trump here. But the truth is the truth. The news media is going crazy about Donald Trump downplaying the COVID virus back in January. If you remember, in January, nobody believed it was as bad as they was trying to say it was. And I will tell you the truth here. Even me. I know COVID virus is real, and I know it's bad. But I still don't believe it's as bad as they're acting like it is. And back when Trump said these things, the CDC was also saying the same thing. So I believe all of this talk right now is just to make Donald Trump look bad. He don't need their help to do that. He can do that on his own. Donald Trump said back when he said these things, it was to reduce panic. Y'all think about that. How many years, how many decades have we known that there's alien life form? And that they have visited Earth, and that our government is holding their remains right now, but the government tells us no. So Donald Trump is not the only one to downplay something for our safety. Y'all, I'm sorry. The truth is the truth. Okay, the IRS. They are sending out 9 million letters to people that still needs to claim their first stimulus check. I hear people every day saying that they never got their stimulus check. I'm sorry, y'all, but They are trying to get them to you, but it's up to you to make sure they've got the information that they need. And you can give them that information by going to the IRS website. Right now, there is 29.6 million people getting unemployment checks. That's a lot of people, y'all. Okay, the executive orders. I'm sorry, y'all, I'm really having trouble with my dry mouth. Donald Trump is getting closer to issuing more executive orders. Those orders will be, or at least this is what they're looking like they will be, bailout for the airline industry, again, more unemployment money, which is greatly needed, money for school vouchers. He wants to modify the payroll tax cut so it will be easily understood, because most people are not signing up for it right now because they just don't understand it. Okay, and a separate pool of money, an executive order that he's about to issue will be the stimulus checks, and that's coming from their own pool of money. So those other executive orders, they're not going to touch that $300 billion for the stimulus checks. Y'all, the more I see this, the more I think both sides are dragging their feet and fighting. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I believe they're doing this and they're playing us as fools. I think they both sides know that they don't want to get a stimulus package passed, because the government just simply does not care about the American people. They want to create the illusion that they're fighting for us, but in reality they're fighting against us, both sides, and I believe it's planned. I don't think they're wanting to pass anything. But President Trump is inching closer and closer to sending out stimulus checks and passing more executive orders. Y'all, we need to vote them all out in November. If they're in office now, vote them out. The only bad thing about voting them all out, that also means Donald Trump has to go. And while I don't agree with everything Donald Trump is doing, I don't agree with everything he is saying, he has made a lot of bad mistakes. He has helped us, but he has made a lot of bad mistakes. While I'm not happy with Donald Trump, I sure as hell don't want Creepy Joe in office. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet on the president's side. But now Congress, if they're in office now, I'm voting against them. Y'all, the other channel is growing fast, but I still need y'all's help with watching the videos. I'm getting a lot of subscribers over there, but I'm not getting a ton of watch time. I need that watch time in order to get monetized. It's not 1,000 subscribers or 400 watch hours. You gotta have both. Y'all, I did a video yesterday, in my opinion, on the schools and the stimulus, the skinny bill. Y'all, please go back and watch that. I also did a video on my other channel, the equipment you need to get started on YouTube, making YouTube videos. Y'all be sure and go watch that. And again, y'all, if you have kids 18 years or younger, please get that Food for Kids program. All you got to do is go pick up the food. It's no red tape involved in it. It's not food stamps. So many people are complaining that it's tied with food stamps. It is not tied with food stamps. All you got to do is just go get the food. Everybody is wanting more stimulus. Rightly so, I do too. Y'all, if you got kids, this food is more stimulus. All you got to do is go get it. Think about this. The more food they give you, the less you have to spend at the grocery store. That's money in your pocket. That is stimulus. So if you don't want this food, you must not want stimulus. If you got kids, go get the food. Y'all, I love you all. We will get through this. Y'all, please check out my books. Help me out with those if you can. Please subscribe to my other channel. And just know I love you all. We will get out of this. I have faith in Jesus Christ. He will see us through it. Also, I almost forgot something very more important than the stimulus or anything. Sherry Croft, a subscriber on this channel, needs prayer. It is possible that she has colon cancer. Let's pray that when those tests comes back, I don't think she knows for sure yet because she told me it is possible. But when those tests come back, let's pray that God will make them say negative on cancer. If there's other problems that she has with colon issues, those can be dealt with easily. But please, let's pray that there's no cancer and God will give her a total healing. He said when 2 or more people comes together and prays, the prayer will be heard. There's a lot of us. We all need to pray for Sherry Croft. Also, I have not heard from the man with the stage 3 cancer that I asked y'all to pray for. Let's not forget him in our prayers also. Y'all, cancer is a terrible thing. I had it. I had stage 4 throat cancer. They'd already called in hospice because the doctor was giving up. He didn't think that I was going to make it. Y'all, when I prayed to God and gave it to Him, that's when it started turning around for me. That's why I have so much faith today. Without prayer, I wouldn't be here. So let's not forget these people in our prayers. I love you all. Until the next time. Ciao.